Here's a little job that caught my eye. It's these stone canopies. Actually, I think it's reconstituted stone, I'm not sure, but they've all broken off. All the way down the road they got these canopies, and every single one of them has broken off in the middle. Not the edge bits, just the middle bit. And I was thinking about it, and I figured that maybe what was happening is that where you've got this facade here, this motif, it could be that the water is getting in there and somehow getting down onto the rest of it. Or it could be just that it's getting in the top. But whatever's happening, the frost has got to it and it's parted company. Now there's another little job here, which is a little bit of repointing, which I'll do later. And I might just put a couple of BrickFix ties in there just to hold that together. But it doesn't actually look like that has dropped very much on that arch, does it? So I live in hope. So how do I approach this? Well, first thing is clean off all the dust and give it a good old soak just with plain water and just try and scrub out all the algae. I actually put some mold inhibitor in here just to get rid of any green stuff. And then I drilled with a masonry bit some holes to put some helical ties in, some of the BrickFix ties. First of all, some short ones, and I'll cut these with an angle grinder because I just wanted to get the right length. And then I drilled in the edges so that I could get some longer ties just to go across. Now there's no way in the world that I can pre-stress these or anything, but I figured if I just got them in and tucked them in there nicely, they would at least pick up that front edge. So this is a bit of SPR, straight on, brushed in nicely, and that will act as a primer, a waterproofer, but also a bonding agent. That's the most important thing. So plenty up the edges, brush that in nicely, and then just a little staple there to keep that tie down. Now what I'm using here is a sharp sand and cement, sort of thing you'd use for rendering. And the reason I wanted to use that is one thing to get a good bond on the edge. Again, I've got SPR in the mix, so lots of SPR in there. In fact, you can use too much, I've been told. If you put too much polymer in it, it won't set. And then a bit more, it's gone a different colour for some reason, in at the front edge so that we haven't got any aggregate showing through when I take this former away. Now I could have tried to shape this former to match the moulding at the front, but I'm not that clever. I looked at doing it with some routers and so on, and I thought, oh, this is going to take me forever and it probably won't look that good. Maybe that was a mistake. So what I'm doing here is hammering it, vibrating it, getting rid of the air bubbles and just making sure the whole thing is compacted down. And then I'm putting on some sharp sand. This is just screeding sand now. Put that in and compact it as best I can. So the important thing is there just to get the air out really. Then a little bit more hammering just to shake it in at that front edge. Smooth it off, and then I use the speed skim. Any straight edge would do this job, and a little bit to smooth in just where the edge had broken away when I took the former off. I actually did oil these formers up first, oiled the shuttering up so that it wouldn't stick, and you can see I've got a little bit of shaping up to do. Probably should have made myself up a runner and a horse and just cut that profile in. If I do another one, and it looks like I might be doing the neighbour's one at some point, then I will change my tactic, because you can see that it's not 100%, but then if you look on the right and on the left, that's not 100% either. So once it blends in nicely, it will all look fine, I'm pretty sure. You can see that right hand side there. I might have to do a little bit of tickling up on that at some point. And all in all, when it's weathered in, I don't think it's going to look too bad at all. Tell me what you think. Is that the worst job you've ever seen? Don't forget, I didn't do this bit on the right hand side. My bit is really the grey bit in the middle.